Hi, and welcome to today's episode of our Quality in a Quick video series. My name is Bob Cruz, President and co-founder of Checkpoint Technologies. Today, and for the next few episodes, I want to chat with you about test automation. So today we're going to cover test automation in general. The next session, the next video cast will be about test automation frameworks, and then we're going to cover test automation solutions. But again, today I want to talk about test automation in general. First thing I want to share with you is just an actual real-world ROI that was realized, that I helped an organization realize a number of years ago. It was a major financial firm, and they had a process where a business analyst would take an Excel spreadsheet with 600 records, 56 columns, and they would randomly select 60 of those records and compare the information in the Excel spreadsheet, the data, with the application to make sure it was working correctly. And it would take that business analyst anywhere from 16 to 20 hours a month to do all of that. So that was a perfect candidate for test automation because it was time consuming, it was tedious, it was something that for the foreseeable future they knew had to be done quite a bit. So I automated that process, and by the time I was finished automating that process, and it took me about maybe 20, 25 hours to do that, the automated process actually ran in about 30 to 40 minutes. The business analyst would then perform analysis and take a look at the automation report that came out of the process and look for any mismatches, and that would normally take them maybe 30 minutes to an hour. So think about that. It went from a process of taking 16 to 20 hours down to anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour and a half. But here's the amazing thing. When it was being done manually, 60 random records were being validated. The automated process, in that significantly less amount of time, it actually validated all 600 records. So as you can imagine, that led to more perfect software because a greater number of scenarios were able to be validated. So my key point to you when it comes to test automation, in addition to sharing with you my definition of what it is, but is the fact that what is key is you've got to ensure you are automating the right candidate. Make sure that you automate those processes that should be automated and leave manual what should be left manual. If you do that, if you select the best candidates, you also will realize a significant return on investment with your solutions. And the other great thing with this organization, by the way, they actually ran this one automated process for about 5 to 5.5 years. So just think of the ROI on that. So I wanted to share that with you. And then one other ask of you, please, is send us an email at the email address that you see. We would love to hear any ideas that you have, any topics you would like to see us present. And then in addition to that, here's some exciting upcoming events that Checkpoint Technologies will be providing. Again, thank you so much for joining us, and have a great day.